Welcome to GTV Business Tech View, another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can apply ESXi patch to your environment. So now it depends actually what kind of ESXi you are running. So for ESXi 6.7 or 6.5, that's a different way. And I'm not going to show 6.7 anymore because... So the reason I will not show you 6.7 because it's already end of life. And that's why I'm not going to show you, and it's already in the flight like 2 years ago. So in this video I will show you guys only the ESXi 8 update. So same way you can do ESXi 7 and ESXi 8 and ESXi 9. So ESXi 7 I'm not showing here, and that's the another reason is which is 6.7 is just end of life last month 2025. So today the time I'm recording this video is November 11 2025, and I have in my environment ESXi 8. So I'll show you how you can upgrade apply the updates for ESXi 8. And I have total 3 hosts. So the same way you can apply the updates with ESXi 9 also. So in that case, of course, you need vCenter 9. So I'll show you guys step by step. Let's share my screen, and then I will be able to show you guys. All right. So here's my ESXi host, and this is my vCenter. I have total 3 ESXi hosts, and you are able to see the version here. So this one is it's not like it's update 3, ESXi 8 update 3, but it has the update A, B, C, D, E, F. So this one is update I believe in E or F. I believe this one is E. And I have another 2 hosts. So I'll show you actually how you can check which one is for what kind of version. So in your environment, if you look at this, so how are you gonna find out? So you just go to Google and type ESXi 8 release in the history. So in the first link, you can just open another tab, and then from the tab you can see here it's listed all the versions. So ESXi 8 version, the one I have, and based on this you can look at it. The latest is update 3G, and the one I have is 4464. So let's look at on the version history for say 4464. So this one is 3E. So that means I'm behind of 3 patch. So I'm behind of 3 patch. So my second one, the second one is not the same. The second one based on the build number is this one. So this is 3F, update 3F. So I'm just 2 patch behind, and the third one is based on the build number, look like it's same. So my all 3 ESXi hosts is not same, so that's not an issue. I can apply the patch, the latest one. So the latest one I just need to download. So for the download, you just need to click here, which is the 3G, and then it will open another page, but you can just right click on it and then open a new tab. That will help you like this. So you're gonna see this information here, and then if you go all the way down, and then you're gonna see the patch download and installation patch link. Just click on the patch link, or right click on it and open a new tab, and then you can see what change they made on this build number or this update. It's listed here, and then everything in here, if you want, you can just read it, and you can go down, and then you can see here there is a ISO file and also a default.zip. So we need default.zip file. This file we need, actually I need to download, and download is highlighted here because I already logged in to support.broadcom.com in my account. That's why when I click, automatically it's take me to here and give me options to download. So if you have logged in there like this way, then you will be able to also get the same thing, so you can just download. So this update has complete ISO, which you can apply the updates, the upgrade the way we did, and also it has a depot file. So today we're going to work with the depot file. So you just need to download depot.zip file, and I will show you how you can, after you download, how you can upload to Lifecycle Manager. That's what I'm going to show you here practically. So I already downloaded. So you just need to have attached it. You just need to go to your Lifecycle Manager after you download it, and then you see here I have already listed here because I already uploaded, but I'm just going to show you how you're going to do that. And so, like sometimes it's going to be you don't need to download actually. Sometimes, like, because vCenter has default installation here, like schedule. So based on the schedule, it's gonna download automatically. Here's the schedule, you can change it. My schedule is 9 p.m. 1 p.m. so you can change to AM, so it's midnight. It can download the latest patch automatically. But if it is not there, in that case maybe you can follow my steps, but otherwise you don't need to. So I'm showing you both steps. So by default, actually vCenter has these options. It will always communicate with through the internet. The vCenter always communicate with the through the internet and download the latest patch and to Lifecycle Manager. So it's a default settings. I'm going to open duplicate page here. So it's a duplicate vCenter just to show you this Lifecycle Manager and also the inventory side by side. So on the cluster, if your vCenter is automatically download, then if you go to the cluster image and go to the edit, and then you're gonna see here it's gonna be pop up here like this. But the one you are able to see here, this one actually not coming automatically because I already uploaded. That's why it's coming here. But in general, automatically supposed to come here. If it is not automatically come, then you need to go to download this depot.zip file, which I already downloaded here, and then you need to import it. You need to import it to Lifecycle Manager. So I'm going to show you how, after you download, then how you can upload. So you need to go to the Lifecycle Manager. You see the image depot and action, and then import updates. And from the import updates, you can download. You see the depot file is here. So I just show the depot file and it's uploading. So I cancel it because I have already uploaded. That's why I just cancel it. I showed you the options how you can do that. So I have already uploaded and like imported. So that's why you're able to see in this list. So now go to the your cluster and go to the update tab, and then image, and then updates, edit. You have to do the edit, and then select your target image, the updates, which one you want. So in our case is 3G, right? Update 3G, which is 661, and so it's basically, if it is not automatically, then you have to upload it. So if it is there already, you don't need to. So just select the latest one, and then vendor add-on. Vendor add-on means like which hardware you are using, like Dell hardware or HP or Cisco. That's the vendor add-on. So you need to select which hardware. In here it shows only Dell because I have Dell and I have uploaded it. That's why it shows the Dell. But if you have used any other one, like Cisco UCS, then it's going to show you Cisco UCS. And then this option. So this option is basically um, component is basically like VMware Tools. So by default, actually, the ESXi host is not gonna come with the latest VMware Tools. It's always behind. It's always behind. So um, that's why you need to add VMware latest VMware Tools like as a component. As a component, you see add a components. So that's and then see there is nothing here, right? Because I never added here. So if you want to have the latest VMware tools, so again with the uh, ESXi by default VMware tools come, but that VMware tools is not latest one. All the time is behind. Um, so how you can check actually which VMware which version of VMware tools is running with your current ESXi host. So there is a command you just need to run. So through the command, but before you run that command, you have to select the host, and then you have to go to the configuration tab, and then you have to go to the services. You have to go to the services, and then SSH. My SSH is running because I ran it before. So default it should be stopped, and you need to come SSH and options, and then start, and then you will be able to do the SSH on it. So you can run party software, like which is free tools. To the party, you can just put the ESXi host name for doing the. So why we are going there? To check the VMware tools version, right? So you have to do the SSH. So and you put the host IP address in here, and then click open, then and then provide the credential. But I am doing in different way. I have a remote ng, and I have already added all the credentials here. So through the credentials, I'll be able to do that. So I'm going to show you. See, I already connected here, and through this connection, I'm going to install. So I'm going to show you how you can do that. So on Google, if you can search check VMware Tools version on a ESXi host by command prompt, then you're gonna get the actual command which you can run on the SSH CMD. So this is the command. You can you can just copy like this, or you can just select and copy whatever you want. You can do that. I'm going to just click on this one, and it, you see, it's copied. So now I'm going to paste it to the SSH CMD. Okay, and then hit enter, and then it will show you. You see here, it shows the version is 12.5.1. So the ESXi I have right now is pretty old. Like ESXi, the VMware Tools is pretty old. So the latest one is not actually with this. And also the latest image, the one I downloaded, that one also doesn't have the latest VMware Tools. So for getting the latest VMware Tools, you just need to search on the Google, and then you see the download VMware Tools, Broadcom support portal. And if you right click on it and open new tab, and then you're gonna see this one. And don't worry about this version, just click on this link, like right click on it, maybe open another link, another tab, and then from this tab there is a lot of options to download, but which one I supposed to download, right? Which one you supposed to download? So you'll be confused, right? So you see here, actually I open it because I want to show you from the beginning. So VMware Tools 12x, 13x is for ESXi 9. So I have 8, that's why I'm going to expand the 12.x, and then 12.5.1. This is the one I have, but I'm almost behind of 3 updates. So I'm going to download 12.5.4, which is the latest release of VMware Tools, and that is not this VMware Tools not coming with the ESXi image. So that's why I'm going to download now. Maybe you are confused. There's a lot of things needs to be downloaded, right? So it says VMware Tools package for Windows, maybe for ARM, Windows ARM, and x64, and VMware Tools for yeah, what is called Linux and blah blah blah. So don't worry about this, just go for the VMware tools, go for the VMware tools, this one. So this is the offline bib file, bib bundle, offline. So VMware tools offline bib bundle, just download this one, and it's gonna take maybe couple of minutes, maybe 1-2 minutes. It's not that big, it's 300 something megabyte. So download this one, and after you're done with this download, then I'm just waiting for this. So after download is done, then I will upload it to what is called, yeah, Lifecycle Manager, right? So I have to import it. So right now on the Lifecycle Manager, if I go under this, like all the way down, there is nothing shows about the VMware tools. But so it's downloaded. Now it's time to upload. So how you gonna upload? 3 dot, then Lifecycle Manager. I'm already there, but I'm just showing you. And then action, and then import update, and then browse and show the file, the one you just downloaded, which is this one. And open, and is now is going to upload to my vCenter Lifecycle Manager, and it will take maybe 1 minute or less than 1 minute. It will be imported, and within short time you're gonna see on the list. So just wait to come, like, until it's finished. All right, it's almost done. All right, so I just need to do the refresh. If I do the refresh, then you're gonna see on the if you go down, scroll down, then you're gonna see the VMware tools. So updates, you can click updates or you can click refresh. See, it's showing here VMware tools. So it's just imported, now it's available. Now you can go back to like 3 dot and then inventory, but I have inventory tab, duplicate page, duplicate tab open. So now go to the your cluster image, and then go edit, and then ESXi image already we selected, vendor we already selected. Now the component, and show, and then add component, and then you're gonna see here the component, the version. So just select it and select. All right, so now it shows 12.5.4 and another one is cross mark 12.5.3 because the update 3G image, the new image doesn't have the latest VMware tools, it has 12.5.3. that's why 5.3 is cross, and we separately added as a component 12.5.4. that's what it's showing. Validate, so it's valid, the image is valid, that's fine, and then save it. And now we are done, but now through your cluster system is gonna check the compliance with all of your cluster ESXi host. That means whatever the ESXi host under this cluster, it's gonna check the compliance with all of them, and it will take a couple of minutes. You can wait here until it's finished. So now you are able to see the version, the image is attached, the vendor is already selected, and the component wise VMware tools is added. You see the one component is added here. So we just need to wait until it's finished compliance. Okay, all right. So look like the compliance check is done. So now host number 3 showing number 1 first, and then also is showing you actually what version needs to be updated. But make sure before you apply this patch, you have to move all the VMs to the your target host to the other host. Target host means the one you want to patch, right? So in our case, our target is to ESXi host number 3. So make sure you select host number 3. We already selected host number 3, but sometimes maybe it's going to be select the wrong one, so don't do that. Before you do, make sure you select right one. And also it shows here what is the current version, what is the version it required, what is the VMware Tools current version, and what is going to be update. Everything is showing here on the right side, and we selected right one, right? So host number 3, and make sure host number 3. So let's see, is there any VM? Okay, there is the one VM running. So I have to move this VM, put the host in the maintenance mode. So if I put the host in the maintenance mode, since the machine, the host is in under a cluster and DRS is enabled in the cluster, so if I put OK maintenance mode, and then all the running VMs or offline VMs, everything will be moved to the other host. And then when it's finished moving all the VMs, then the host will go maintenance mode. So we have to wait until move everything. All right, so immediately when everything is moved, then the host went to the maintenance mode. You see here DNS was before host number 3, now it's host number move to host number 2. I didn't move to host number 2. The cluster decided, the DRS decided, its cluster has a DRS feature enabled, so DRS decided that machine is to be moved to host number 2. That's why the machine moved to host number 2. I didn't move, well, I didn't select host number 2, right? So anyway, so our host is already in the maintenance mode. Now you need to go to the updates and image. You don't need to actually select the host, you need to select the cluster, and then updates tab, and then image, and then go down, and from the right side and left left pane, you just need to select which host you are going to do, right? So make sure you are selecting the right host, which one is in maintenance mode. So host number 3 is now in maintenance mode, right? Now go to the action and then remediation. So remediation page is by default, you just say start remediation, and then it will start remediation will be a start, and you just need to wait until it's finished, but it's gonna take time. How long it will take, it depends. So, and also you see, I'm just showing you, I have already SSH on it, so I'm gonna exit out from this SSH, but before I exit out, I'm showing the version. So after we update, then we're gonna see the same version. So I'm gonna check the same command to check the latest version. All right, so it started already. You can just see, click on see more, then you can see all the activities here, and I have to wait here until it's finished. It's gonna take maybe 4 or 5 minutes, or sometimes it takes 10 minutes. It depends on your host performance. So you see the host is now is maintenance mode. Sorry, it's in it says not connected, right? So not connecting, that means the machine is now like rebooting. Updates will install. Okay, now it's come back to as a maintenance mode. That means it's done. So it's successfully completed, and it's not ready yet. You have to give a little bit time to refresh everything, refresh everything, or you can click just refresh, but it's going to take like 30 seconds or 1 minute, one more minute, then everything will be normal. And you can check the summary, and summary, you see the version is now updated to 61, the last 2 digit, and image, it shows the green mark, you see here. So now you need to actually turn off, actually you don't need to turn off, because SSH, when the server is rebooted, the SSH automatically stop. So now I'm going to start again, because I want to show you the VMware Tools is updated. So we're going to run the same VMware Tools finder command. So you have to enable again SSH, That's what I did now. And then I'm just going to SSH on the host, and I'm going to run the same command, the one I ran before, this one. So copy and then go back to the console and then CMD command and enter. And now with a short time you're gonna see it's already updated, right? 12.5.4 is updated. It's the latest one. So we successfully apply the latest patch, or you can say successfully updates, and also VMware Tools successfully updated. Oh. So our image is updated to this version. So same thing. Okay, so it says it's not actually you can say, okay, I'm going to exit out from the command line and then go to the configuration and services and make sure you turn off the SSH, because it's a security issue if you run all the time. So you're supposed to stop it. And now go back and refresh and exit the maintenance mode. So there's no issue, no error, nothing shows right now, right? But only thing is the host is still in maintenance mode, so we have to exit the maintenance mode. All right, look like everything looks good. So now we can target the host number 1. So host number 3 is done. So same thing, you have to put in maintenance mode. Then all the VMs will be migrated to the other host. So now our cluster image is ready. VMware Tools is ready. We don't need to go for the same thing again. Everything is ready. We just need to select the host and put the host into maintenance mode, and then all the VMs running on this host will move to the other host. See here, all the activities already started. The servers are moving right now. So all the VMs, whenever all the VMs is moving to the other available host in the cluster, then you're gonna see the host number 1 will be in a maintenance mode. So you have to wait. It depends actually how long it will take, how many machines you have. And so it can be take like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, sometimes 20 minutes, sometimes like only 2 minutes. So it depends on how much load you have on the host. So all of them will be moved automatically. You don't need to do anything manually. So all are moving. The only thing, you just need to wait and see the progress, and you can just click here and there to see the performance and how it's okay. All right, look like everything is moved. So now this one in a maintenance mode, right? So what you can do, just select the cluster, not on the host, just select the cluster again and image, and go to the, you don't need to go to the edit again because you already edited, right? So you don't need to go update image, just go update an image, and then you're gonna see so the image cluster image is already set. Now it shows only 2 hosts because one host is already updated. So in here only shows the compliance, which is not compliant with the image, but that means those 2 ESXi hosts are behind of the cluster image, because cluster image is the latest one, right? So now we are going to target 1. So select the 1 and then action, and then remediate and start remediate. It's pretty simple and easy. And then same way it started, and it's going to take time. You have to wait until it's finished. And also if you click on see more, you're going to see all the activities, and also you see here the machine I had before, DNS01, ERS, AMP01. So everything is moved to the other host and everything is running. And if you look at you see VMware Tools, VMware Tools is updated. Sometimes it's gonna pop up on top that like VMware Tools is not updated. It's gonna show you like a yellow mark, and then you can just click, and in the silent mode the VMware Tools will be installed. So you can check. So the machine is not showing because this machine is moved to the host number 2, and host number 2 is not up to date yet. That's why it's not trigger the latest VMware Tools yet. So I'm going to power up this machine and then move it to the other host. Then you're gonna see there will be. Okay, I just moved to from host number 2 to host number. And just hit the refresh, then you're gonna see. So it's moved to, actually it's not moving yet, it's just moving to host number 3. If whenever it's moved to host number 3, and then you're gonna see immediately it shows VMware Tools needs to be updated, right? It's on host number 3, and it says because host number 3 has the latest ESXi and also latest VMware Tools on the ESXi. That's why it's triggered that your virtual machine VMware Tools needs to be updated. That's what it shows. So you don't have the latest one. And then how we install? Just click action, VMware upgrade VMware Tools, and then by default is selected automated upgrades, and click upgrade, and it's going to be upgrade automatically. It's called silent installation. It's not required reboot. So in a live mode, that means like whenever your machine is running on the live mode, you can upgrade the VMware Tools. Just click action and then upgrade. That's it. It's pretty simple and easy. So I'm just hitting refresh multiple times. Okay, you see here on the top the first host is like not accessible because it's restarted, and all the VMs I'm checking. So it's installing. Installation is in progress. You see the upgrade is in progress. Upgrade in progress. So you have to wait because it's in the backend is installing the VMware Tools on the server. So you have to wait until it's finished. But it's not going to impact anything. It's not going to impact your application. The machine is running, the application is running, everything going to be run. Just you have to wait. So it's almost done. I believe still it shows in progress. Installation is in progress. Wow, it's done. Now it's done. You see, it's not showing anymore the yellow alert, and is 12.5.4. Before it was 3, right? So this is how you can update also VMware Tools. And so host number 3 is done, host number 1 is almost done. We have to wait a little bit to boot it up, and then you're gonna see the change. So if you have like 50 or 100 ESXi hosts, you can do the same way. So that's all for today. And if you like this video, please make some comments, and your comments encourage me a lot to make more video for you guys. And also if you like this video, please give a big thumbs up, and if you're new in my channel, please subscribe my channel and stay tuned. I'll see you guys in another video. So I'm gonna make another video for maybe VMware Tools, also VMware related lot of videos. So please subscribe and stay with